What Bredent Medical's abutments and the wheels of this stylish vehicle have in common is that they simply do exactly what they're supposed to do: durable, robust, reliable. There are small differences in the tightening torque. A very good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. I warmly welcome you to another episode of our SKY Shorties, a video series in which we explain and showcase various products from Bredent Medical. Today's topic is the BioHPP Elegance abutments, which we offer for the narrow, classic and blueSKY implant lines, as well as for the copaSKY implant line. Perhaps just a few brief words about the material BioHPP. Many of you are already familiar with it, while others may not be. BioHPP is a high-performance polymer material, a PEEK-based material, not pure PEEK as offered by competitors. Our BioHPP consists of 80% PEEK and 20% nano ceramic fillers. And it is these fillers that make the material so unique. We have surfaces and roughness that are excellent. It can be polished very well, and above all, an important property in implantology is that the material has a certain elasticity. Similar materials to BioHPP have been used in human medicine for over 40 years. The advantages of the material are simply its durability and good mechanical properties, and above all, very good biocompatibility. I would now like to show you our abutments in detail in a close-up view. Just come with me. Before I show you the individual elegance abutments for our different implant lines, I would like to briefly introduce the BioHPP material again, in what form it can be processed or which possible workflows we offer for it. What you see here is the granulate. One option is to process BioHPP in the lab using the so-called 4-2 press system. This is an analog workflow in which you model frameworks, attach sprues, embed them, and then, using a pressing technique, press the molten BioHPP, it's a thermoplastic material, into a mold. For example, the material would look like this. Here you can see these small pellets which can be processed in the analog 4-2 press system. We have BioHPP in 3 colors. There's this Dentin shade, a snow white version, and a pinkish tone. Here you can see our prosthetics display, and in this row you see various prefabricated BioHPP elegance abutments. In this case, for the SKY implants with our Torx connection, a tube-in-tube connection. You can see that we have the abutment, for example, in a large diameter, but also in slimmer versions and even available in angled forms. These abutments are well suited for single-tooth immediate restorations, which you can fabricate, for example, with a composite veneer. So immediately after implantation, you can moderately load the implant right away thanks to the cushioning properties of the BioHPP material. Of course, we also have the abutments available for the copaSKY implant system, our conical parallel implant connection BioHPP, which is industrially hot injected onto this titanium base. Inside the abutment there is a large retentive area, making discementation virtually impossible, and laboratory bonding is likewise unnecessary. Another option for producing customized BioHPP abutments for SKY and copaSKY is the use of the so-called BioHPP elegance CADCAM prefabs. These are prefabricated blocks, and inside the BioHPP block there is a retentive area. We have a very strong connection between the titanium interface and BioHPP. The connection is the standard Sirona connection, which you can easily mill on most systems. Here I'd like to show you a crown as an example. You can see a single anterior tooth on a SKY implant directly veneered with composite, so it's not a cemented crown. I'll take it off now, unscrew it from the model. Then you can see the BioHPP portion in the emergence profile. This abutment was milled with CADCAM, customized, and then directly veneered with composite. We also call this solution a crown abutment. As mentioned, it's suitable for immediate restoration of single-tooth implants, but also for permanent restorations. Of course, you can also use BioHPP for this purpose. You can cement crowns of any material onto BioHPP. This is an example of what a single-tooth restoration can look like. What you see here is a telescopic restoration. The secondary framework is pressed from pink BioHPP, friction fit, very precise and perfectly fitting. And what you see here are the SKY Elegance CADCAM prefabs. After parallel-walled CADCAM milling, a bit of manual finishing and polishing, you can work with this material with great precision. Even telescopic techniques are easily possible. I think I was able to show you that with the individual products, that is, the individual BioHPP elegance abutments and the various solution and workflow options we offer, we really cover a wide spectrum. Especially in the field of immediate loading, where we at Bredent Medical are truly leaders, these abutments represent a very important tool. We reduce the chewing forces that act on the implant in the bone and achieve maximum success rates thanks to the softer bite. This protects the fresh implants in the bone, ensuring very good long-term success. I would be delighted if you tune in again next time. Thank you for your attention and see you then. Goodbye.